saw these on Amazon and I just couldn't resist buying them. They just look so beautiful. Look at them. Gorgeous. Faber Castell coloured pencils. Don't know what they'll be like, but they're just so pretty. So the pastel colours, and they've got these beautiful kind of like holographic diamonds on them. Oh, look at the tin. Even the tin's beautiful. Even the outer cardboard is beautiful, which I'll probably keep that on there. How nice are those? So lovely. I'll have a little go with them, see if they're any good. I think I'll try them out in one of the Rita Berman books and do something small. I think I'll just randomly pick one. Okay, so this is a underwater theme, I think. Is that underwater? Yeah. I really like the look of this. All these pastel colours on all these bubbles would be lovely, but it would just take such a long time. I absolutely love this page. I think I'll do this little fish here just to see what they're like, and then I might do this larger page. This is nice. I'll swatch them out first. So it doesn't look like they've got any colour names on them or numbers. They're very hard. Kind of expected them to be because they're just cheapo pencils. Okay, so that's the greens. 2 blues, 1 purple, 3 pinks, 1 orange, and 2 yellows. So they're definitely lovely pastel colours. The greens were very, very hard. No, these are pretty awful. Absolutely awful. Awful to colour with. Hardly getting any colour off them at all. No, I thought with them being Faber Castell there would be better quality than that, but they're pretty dire. They actually looked quite strong. These 3 colours look quite strong on the swatch. That's the best I could get out of them. And that's with multiple layers. So they're not going to work with colouring book paper. I hate it when they make light coloured pencils and I think they just add loads of extra wax, so it's harder to get any colour off. It's like they're just like watering the colour down with wax instead of using an actual pastel colour. Pretty annoying. Look at the sheen on it because it's just such hard wax. It almost looks shimmery, but it's not. That's just a waxy shine. I had to press so hard to get any colour. So it does look quite cute, but I didn't enjoy colouring with them. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to keep them or not because I do actually like the little fish. I think it looks really, really nice. I don't know whether to send them back because they're just so poor. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to send them back, which is such a shame because I absolutely love the tin. It's just beautiful, but the pencils are just awful. So what I'm going to do is try and find the equivalent colours in the Castell pastel pencils and also the Holbein pastels, and do another little fish in those just to do like direct comparisons. Seeing as though I've only used these Holbeins once when I first got them, just once or twice, I don't know why the box is so bashed up. I mean, it's a bit dusty because it's been in a cupboard for a few years, but it's literally got scuff marks all over it. Like, where's it got all them scuff marks from? Okay, so 4 years later, trying to match these colours, and I finally got some picked out for the Castell and some picked out for the Holbeins. I couldn't completely match them totally, but I've got really similar colours. I have no idea why. I'm just wasting loads of time obsessively trying to match these. Oh wow, what a difference. So this is the Holbeins. Yeah, that's really nice. I think the problem that I had with the Holbeins when I first tried them, I think it was layering on, yeah it was layering on top of each other, the colours. So, but just like laying one colour down, it just goes on so smooth. Or it could be that they work well with this paper in the Rita Berman books. Yeah, they're very waxy. I'm starting to kind of like struggle with the third layer. But I can see why, if you weren't using them to layer, they're really nice to use. So I'm not really getting a lot of colour payoff with the Castell. They are obviously better than the other ones though. Obviously they are supposed to be light, so it's difficult to get the shading, probably just because of the colours that I've chosen. Okay, so that's the one with the pastel tint. I'm going to try some more now. I'm going to get the Prismacolors out and try those, and then maybe a few different brands as well. Okay, so now I'm on to the Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils. These feel quite hard and chalky, but the colour laydown's absolutely brilliant. They just feel chalky, but I don't think they are chalky. They feel quite dry. They're definitely well named Luminance. I mean, look at the colour, how clean and crisp that colour is and vibrant. It really is luminous. If you look at the other ones, this one is Prismacolor, this is Holbein, this is Holbein. This was my favourite one. Those are the Castell pastel tint. But just look at the colour vibrancy on this one. It's amazing. I think this is the first time I've ever tested quite a few pencils side by side. It's not my favourite, that one. So I've got one little fish left to do, and I'm going to try that one with the Derwent Light Fast pencils. There was very, very few pastel colours. Yeah, so I've just picked a few colours out just to experiment on this paper with these ones. So the glide of the paper, really lovely, and they lay down a nice fine layer of colour. I'm not really layering very well, but I don't think any of the pencils have laid really well, so I think it's probably the paper that it's very smooth. Oh, actually, yeah, using this turquoise colour to add a little bit of shading, because it's a darker colour, it's actually laying over the top very well. I'm only doing that really lightly. Okay, I don't know what I'm trying to do with this one, but I think I've kind of made a mess of it. And I'm pretty much sick of colouring fish now, so I'm really losing interest fast. I might just try and erase this. Okay, so that's that page finished. So I think my favourites are this one, which is the Holbein, and then the Caran d'Ache Illuminance. I really like those ones as well. So going forward, I think in this particular colouring book, I would either go for the Holbeins or the Luminance. There are some other pencils that I haven't tried. I need to try those as well. What I'm really impressed about the Luminance, if you look at this yellow and orange kind of mix I've done here, and then compare it to the yellow and orange mix on the Prismas, this looks quite dull and a little bit chalky in comparison. This looks like so clean and vibrant. The only thing is with the Luminance, when I was trying to get a darker coverage here, it got quite clumpy. Yeah, so that's my little experiment today, and those Faber Castell pastel ones are literally on their way back to Amazon as we speak. I've sent them back. Just terrible, terrible pencils. I'll have another colouring video up soon. I can't decide what it's going to be yet. I've just received this brand new colouring book, Bramley Hedge. This is just been released. I had it on pre-order and it's absolutely gorgeous. I got the Christmas one that was released last year, and I also got the Leon's Journey from Amazon Japan, which is just another absolutely divine book. And again, I can't decide whether my next video is going to be one of these two colouring books or me trying these Ohuhu pastel markers, which I've just bought. Yeah, I can't decide what I want to do next, but hopefully I'll have another video up in the next few days. So please give me a like if you've enjoyed the video, and thanks very much for watching.